A few months after the premiere of the facelifted Fiat Toro, Stellantis unveiled the updated Ram 1000 for certain South American markets with a series of visual and technological updates. Despite the fact that the Ram 1000 premiered in 2019, which is 3 years after the original Fiat Toro, the company decided to facelift them both in 2021. As you can see from the side-to-side comparison, the 2022 Ram 1000 gets the same redesigned bumper and full LED headlights as the high-end variants of the facelifted Fiat Toro. The only difference is the Ram badge on the grille and the different 16-inch wheels. The new face makes it look tougher compared to its predecessor and more in line with the rest of Ram's pickup range. The rest of the bodywork remains largely the same, with 4 doors and a rather small rear bed. Interior updates include a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a larger 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen with all modern connectivity features. The pickup also gets a total of 7 airbags for extra safety, but don't expect any sophisticated ADAS. Again, the interior of the Ram 1000 is identical to the Toro besides the badge on the steering wheel. Higher trim levels of the Toro also get a tablet-like 10.1-inch touchscreen, which could be fitted to future Ram 1000 models. Unlike the 2022 Toro, which gets the new 1.3 GSE turbo and the updated 2-liter multijet turbo diesel, the 2022 Ram 1000 is only available with the naturally aspirated 1.8-liter E-Torque EVO petrol engine, at least for now. The mill produces 128 horsepower and 170.4 Newton-meters, 125.7 pound-to-feet, of torque, which are sent to the front axle through a 6-speed automatic gearbox. This variant has a cargo capacity of 650 kilograms, 1,433 pounds, less than the maximum 1,000 kilograms, 2,205 pounds, of its sibling in turbodiesel all-wheel drive guys. Both pickups are produced in Guiana, Pernambuco factory in Brazil, and are based on the small wide platform which also underpins models like the Fiat 500X and the Jeep Renegade and Compass. The 2022 Ram 1000 is already available for pre-orders in Colombia, with Peru, the Dominican Republic, and Chile following shortly. Other markets like Brazil and Argentina get the Toro. Pricing in Colombia starts from 105,990 pesos, $27,821 for the Bighorn trim level, which is the only available option for pre-order.